the wait is over. Samsung has officially launched the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's a game changer. With a 200MP AI-powered camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and a massive 5,500 mAh battery, this flagship is pushing boundaries. But does it live up to the hype? And more importantly, is it worth the price? Let's dive into the full review. Chapter 1. Design and display. Let's start with the design. The S25 Ultra comes with a premium titanium frame, making it stronger and lighter. The edges are now smoother for a more comfortable grip. And yes, the beloved S Pen is still here. Display specs: 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X, QHD Plus resolution, 1440 by 3088 pixels, 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, peak brightness 3000 nits. The display is Samsung's best yet: crystal clear, ultra smooth, and insanely bright. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, this screen is an absolute delight. Chapter 2. Camera system. Samsung's Ultra series has always been about camera innovation, and the S25 Ultra takes it up a notch. Rear camera setup: 200MP primary sensor, with AI image processing and OIS, 50MP Periscope telephoto lens, 150x space zoom, 12MP ultrawide camera, super night mode, 10MP depth sensor, front camera, 16MP AI-powered selfie camera. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, Samsung's AI nightography mode ensures breathtaking shots, and the 8K 30fps video recording makes it a dream for content creators. Chapter 3. Performance and software. Now let's talk performance. Samsung is bringing next-gen power with the latest chipset. Performance specs: Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 USA / Exynos 2500 global, 12GB per 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, 256GB, 512GB, 1TB, One UI 7 based on Android 15. With AI-powered optimizations, the S25 Ultra delivers lightning-fast performance, smooth multitasking, and unmatched gaming speed. Chapter 4. Battery and charging. A powerful phone needs a powerful battery, and Samsung delivers. Battery and charging: 5,500 mAh battery, 2-day battery life, 65W fast charging, 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes, 45W wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. No more battery anxiety. Even with heavy usage, the S25 Ultra lasts all day. Chapter 5. Price and final verdict. Now, the big question: how much does it cost? Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra price. Expected: 12GB plus 256GB, $1,299. Bangladeshi Taka 1, 55,000. 16GB plus 512GB, $1,399. Bangladeshi Taka 1, 67,000. 16GB plus 1TB, $1,599. Bangladeshi Taka 1, 90,000. Yes, it's a premium price tag, but for what you're getting: stunning display, insane cameras, top-tier performance, and a massive battery. It might just be the best Android flagship of 2025. So, what do you think of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Is it worth the price, or would you go for something else? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one.